Is the end finally here? Well, that's what everybody's telling you. The gas prices are going up. The war is going to be extended from 2 weeks to 2 months, eventually 8 months, eventually 2 years, eventually 4 years, eventually 8 years. Everything has been going bad. Just is more evident now. Here's a funny thing. If you are prepared, you really don't care much. If you're not prepared, or if you never cared to prepare, you're probably freaking out. Well, I'm sorry. If you want to prepare, there's still time. The bullets are still not flying, so you still have time to prepare. Listen, even those of us who are prepared, or who believe that we are somewhat prepared, because nobody's ever 100% prepared, we still keep on preparing. We still keep on prepping. Take, for example, I went to my local ammo store, and today, instead of getting my normal 4 boxes of 7.62 by 39, I didn't. I did it for 2 reasons. One, I already have enough put away, stockpile, and for my hunting purposes. If I wanted to use the KS-47, I told you all that there are instances that I might use it. If you don't remember, just go look at the previous videos. I have enough now, 410 for this season. So 410 for this season is covered. 7.62 by 39 for this season is covered. 22 is somewhat covered. I have a significant stockpile already, and I have approximately, I want to say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7,000 rounds just for this summer. I know a lot of people will say that's not enough. Well, I'm sorry, but that's just what it is. That's it. Practice and whatnot and have fun. 7,000. That's not bad, right? They did not have a single box of 22, this type, the 500 rounds that I often buy. They did not have a single box. They did not have a single box of 7.62 by 39. 0. I was like, whoa, I did good by getting it early when I was getting it. I did good. You know, because everybody's like, I was like, when the world comes to an end, that's it. That's all you have. And that is true. But the thing is that if you prepare before, you will not care what is going on right now. You just won't. You don't have to, because you did it ahead of the game. So I didn't get 1. I did not get 4. What I did instead, I was like, you know what? I even told Mrs. D. I was like, I don't have to get more 7.62 by 39, and I don't have to get more 22, the standard one, you know, just for funsies or to stock away. I was like, we have enough. This was my goal, and there have it. Now, I'm pretty sure that I can hear a lot of folks say, like, you never have enough. You never do, but you do run out of space. And ammunition is heavy. Even with the 22, you know, you put away significant amount, it's gonna wait. But nonetheless, what I'm starting doing right now, what I will be doing moving forward, is since I don't have to do the other ones, now I can focus on the other calibers. I mentioned to you all, again, if you have not seen the video, go check it out. This is the thing in this channel. If you do not have the notifications on, if you don't watch every single video that I post, you won't follow. At least you will not follow the conversation. You understand? Because this is a conversation. You and I are talking to each other. Well, at least I'm talking to you. And if you don't see what I post before, you probably won't only have halfway through, or half of the conversation, half of the content. Go check out the previous videos. All right, so what I'm doing right now is, and I don't know if you remember, but some time ago I told you all that I use this for my suppressors. And this one in particular is the one that I use to suppress the most. So I'm starting now to put away more of these ones. I have a few boxes, but not a whole bunch, because this one costs about $37. I know, right? For 200 rounds versus this one that is $44 for 500 rounds. You see, there's a give and take. Now, the 762 by 39 costs us about $14, $14.99. The 3006 costs about $31.99. And the 308, $32.99. I know. So today I didn't get as much. I got some. One box of 308, one box of 3006, and one box of CCI 22 to use with the suppressor. A lot of you may think that's nothing. Consistency. Consistency is the game. Forget about the whole going one day and spend $1,000 and never do it again. Instead of doing that, every week $100. In fact, this week, normally I spent $104. This week was $92. So yeah. Now, 308 is the rifle or the caliber that my son will be using the most. And probably I will be alternating between the 3006 and the 762 by 39. That's probably I'm going to be alternating depending on what I'm doing. 22 hours going to be there. 410, I already have enough. I took advantage the time that I saw it at Walmart. I have a healthy stockpile already. So we're good. This is what I want you to understand. When people say the end is here, does not necessarily mean the end is here for you. The end is here probably for them because they refuse to prepare. They refuse to be smart about it because their priorities were more along the lines of, let me talk smack. Let me do things that are not going to benefit me. Let me just waste money on beer, on smokes, on vaping, on whatever. Well, there's the result. The end is now here for you. For you who are prepared, the end is not here. Now is when things are beginning to get interesting. Power outages, camping, work on the go. Opus keeps you connected at home and outdoors. With clean, reliable energy, Opus powers freedom. Opus, the choice of the frontier preppers. If you'd like to support the channel, check out the links in the pinned comment below. Consider joining our Frontier Prepper Squad or let an add to your run. It really does make a difference. And always remember, those who prepare today will not struggle tomorrow.